Hiya everyone, I hope you're keeping well. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing from JJ's house. Now this one I've been dead excited about. I am on YouTube and Facebook, so I'm sorry if my eyes look a little bit funny. I can't get my phones together. Okay, so I've got loads of information. I'm going to go quickly into the box. I've already opened it so I can get into it fast. I'm going to show you what beautiful outfits they've got. Now I've picked a variety from their website to showcase what they've got on there. They've got some amazing pieces. And before I start, do you know the average wedding in the UK costs 20,000? Mine was so affordable. I went to Gretna Green. Me and Martin got married Gretna Green. We just eloped during COVID. And I wore a really affordable dress. And firstly, I came to JJ's house. This is why this is such a great collaboration. So first of all, I got this cocktail dress. This is what I picked. Or should we go? Well, we'll just go through them. We'll go through them. This is exciting. So basically, the website is so well laid out. It's not confusing in the slightest. Years ago, when I got married with Martin, I first went to JJ's house to get me outfit, and I was in such a rush that it just didn't feel quite right, and I wanted to get altered stuff, so I grabbed something else, but always had the JJ's house one, and free shipping and free returns. It's always been like that. They've been really lovely. I got it returned dead fast, no problems, no qualms. But I would say check your sizing. I'm going to go through these. Now it's free shipping both ways. You can try before you buy. Also, they accept Klarna, ClearPay and PayPal, which is important to know because I think it helps when you've got big budgets and you're working on finances and especially planning a wedding. It's nice to know that you can do that kind of thing. Now, this is inside out. I'm going to show you. Look, I really hope you enjoy this video. I've been so excited to show you this. I've got loads of information. I'm just going to run down. I've wrote it down on my little book there. So they ship within 48 hours as well. Okay, like shipping is so fast. So if you're in a hurry, you want to get everything finalized for the big day, you don't want to be worrying about stuff, it's ideal. So look at this. This is the cocktail dress. Now look at the gold. It's stunning. I can feel it already. It's absolutely stunning. Look at it. And the quality, by the way, is amazing. And they're so affordable. I'll go through all the sizes, the colours and everything. There's also an inspiration section on the website. So if you go to your pull down box, you've got your mother of the bride party, you've got guests for your wedding, you've got bridesmaid, bride, occasion, girls, jewellery and accessory, shoes, and then you've got like an inspirational section. They also do shipping worldwide, so you're covered. Look, beautiful cocktail dress. Now I got this in a size 14 UK, goes up to size UK 28. And they're amazing with sizing. So I put this video out, I put like a feeler out and told everyone what I was going to be doing on my Facebook videos. And somebody said that they'd already been with JJ's house and loved it. And that I think it was the daughter or the granddaughter. I was pregnant as well, getting married. And so they were lovely about sizing and helping her and getting all that kind of thing for her. And I thought that was really nice. So they're so easy to talk to. This is called your cocktail dress. And I'm going to show you up close in a minute. I'm going to do special try-ons as well for each look, so you'll get to have a look at them all properly. I'm going to do a full makeup look as I go, and I'll pair them up with some wedding shoes so you can have a look at the full shebang. Okay, what I'm going to do as well, I'll just show you up close the quality. Look at that, it's stunning. I cannot wait to try these on properly for you. I'm just going to run through quickly what they are, what colours. I'm going to give that a quick like steam or iron, but even still, I mean, they're so packaged nice. The quality is lovely. Like, there's got cups in as well. So there's cups in here, padded cups. Like I said, I got size 14. They go right up to 28. There's also a really good sizing guide on there, so make sure you're having a look at that. It'll help you out. I mean, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. The quality is brilliant. I can't wait to try them on for you. Let's get through these all. I'm going to put them up. I've got this ready to go, so I can put them all on here for you to have a look at. But yeah, like when I got my first wedding dress off them, it was just beautiful, like seriously beautiful. And I didn't pay much for it. I'm going to run down the prices. So this one is £140. Now it's all VAT included, and I've got a code for you, and it's Panacea 0610, and that gives you 10% off, but it's only for the first 20 people. And then I've got some more codes I'll put on afterwards. So that is that there. It's gorgeous. I'll put this up. It's, oh, another thing I've just noticed. Look at this beading detail here. It's such a beautiful dress. I can't wait. Do like a shimmering gold look with that one. We'll put that on there. Now I wanted to pick stuff from all over the website so I could really showcase what they've got on there. Now this one is your bridesmaid dress, and it comes in chiffon, stretch satin, or stretch, what have I got? Stretch crepe. I've gone for chiffon, and I've gone for a size 14. Yep, size 14. This one comes in, get ready for it, 60 colours. Your cocktail dress comes in 10 colours. This one comes in 60 colours. 60 colours. So this is your bridesmaid dress, and I just thought it looked absolutely stunning. They all come inside out, probably to protect the dress. I mean, they're just gorgeous. Like, I'm not even kidding. The quality, I can feel it already. And you know, especially when you've just got so much to outlay for a wedding. I couldn't believe the average one was 20,000, you know. I'm absolutely stumped by that. We probably got all of ours for 1,500, not even that. But obviously we just eloped. We didn't have the full lot. But this is your bridesmaid dress. It's so floaty, flown. It's gorgeous. The colour. Now, what colour did I get? Oh, I think it was like a, oh, I wish there was a thing in here. I don't know, but I've got all of the links for you so you can get them all straight away. Look at this. I love this detail here. Isn't that beautiful? I think this is classed as an asymmetric. I'll put the colour up as well so you can, if you like this colour and you want to pick it. Hang on, it might be on here. Yes, it is. Cinnamon rose. It's just lush. So it gets you all the details there on your label. This is a US 12, UK 14, EU 42 and AU 14. It gives you the ID number as well. What I'm going to do is I'll put all the links up for you. The colour, the code as well, so you can get your 10% off the Panacea 06101. They got bust 38, waist 31. So that's what I mean. Check your sizing. The sizing's pretty good, but they're just beautiful. Then you've got your zip at the side. I love the colour of this. It just looks absolutely gorgeous. So we'll get this hung up and we'll get on to the next dress. I cannot wait. Hang on, we'll put that there just like that. So, oh, it's beautiful. The quality. So I got the chiffon, okay? Just because there's different materials of this one. Put that there. I don't want to mess it up. Should have brought me big thing down from upstairs. Look at that. Just stunning. That's going to fall over. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Let's get on to the next one. Are you ready? So this one, I was going to go Mother of the Bride, but I wanted to keep it small just to start with because there's so much to get through, and we're going to be doing looks for each one. And this one here is a prom dress. Now, I would have loved one of these if I was at school having a prom. I probably wouldn't have been picked by anyone because I didn't have any friends and I was bullied. But I tell you what, if I was going to do a prom, look at this. So this is a trumpet style square neck, I think. Again, I've got all the details for you. I'll pop them up. Oh, I mean, just gorgeous. This specific style, there's only one colour of it in. But when you go to, like I said, it's got so many pull down menus for your prom, your wedding guest party, occasion. You've got shoes, everything. There's just so much. I'm just going to make sure I don't pull the wrong. There we go. I'm going to figure that out when I put it on for you to show you. So it's open back, and I think it's like a spaghetti strap. Zip at the back. This one, I'll tell you. So sorry, your bridesmaid dress, £95. But don't forget you're getting your 10% off if you use the code. And then this here, oh, and that also goes up to size 28. This here, your prom dress. Oh my word, that is beautiful. Look at the detail at the top. Look at the detail. That is beautiful. Cannot wait to try these on, you know. Hope this fits. Stretch, it's gonna fit. Brilliant. And then you've got your like, it's not padded, but you've got your bra area here. Now I've got some nipples things which you can get on the website. That goes under your accessories. So if you want like nipple covers, strapless bras, they've got all of that. I think they've even got items where you can cinch your selling, you know, like your second skins, all your pull-ins, all your, what they're called. Oh, I can't think of the word right now, but they've got it all. Anyway, this one here is in one colour, and I got mine in a large. Okay, so I think it goes up to XXL, which I'm sure as a UK 18, I'm a UK 14. I always I go large just to cover myself. XL would be 16, yeah, so XXL up in these ones. And they are stretchy. When I try it on, I'll show you how stretchy they are. This one is £77 and that's VAT included. And don't forget you get your 10% off if you use my code Panacea 0610. But I'll put all the details in the description boxes for you. I really like this one. And again, it's this colour red, size medium. Now I'm sure I did get large, but I might have wrote large, but that's a medium. So I don't have large, but I should fit in that because it's nice and stretchy. Again, I'm excited to show you that one. I'll tap this up and then we'll show you what's next. Oh, hang on. I don't want to hang on where we're going. Put that there like that. That's for the back. Just want to make sure I don't put, there we go. That's why. So you pull that back. And put that, right, yeah. There we go. I don't know why that took me so long. I'm not with it today. I've been so excited to show you this video. I just haven't had the time properly and I wanted to dedicate attention to detail for this one. That's going to fall down and that's because that needs tying. That's it, Lauren. Come on. Get around. There we go. Put that there so you can have a look. Should have really had a rack so you can see them all as I go. Just look at the colour, man. Look at the colour of that. Stunning. I don't think I've got any more info on them just yet. And then we've got everything falling on the floor. The next one. This one here is your bridal. You'll never guess how much. I'm going to pull out the bag and show you. I saw this and I just thought it was so delicate and beautiful and gentle and just what a bride's dress should look like. I think for me, I like it. But they have got so many, and by the way, the prices you can pay a lot on there or you can pay a lot less. It is up to you. There's got so much choice, like you'll just be so much choice. And like I said, beautiful, the styles, the fits. This is like a tie back, so hang on. Here you go. Oh, that's beautiful. I can see how me selling this one. Look at that. I'll show you back. Here we go. Now I got large and it only comes in this colour. It's like an ivory. I think it's like an ivory cream, or is it classed as white? I'm not sure. But it's so beautiful. I hope I fit this. It's zip up the back. There is some stretch in it. It's £54. That's why I got this one. I was going to get a more expensive one to show you, but then I thought no, because I want to show you the prices and what you're getting. So they're a lot more. The cocktail's 140, but you know, after you've done your wedding, you want to get your party on. That is gorgeous for the evening. I mean, that was a gold makeup look. And then you've got the red for your prom. I just think to showcase the different prices of what you can get. Amazing, because I think people are put off worrying about prices like that, and then you realise just the stuff you can have and the quality. I'm going to show you the quality. I'll show you the fit. I'll do a nice makeup look for each one. But that is your bridal dress there, and inside of it you're probably going to need a little bridal bra, or use your little nipple cups, or a little bra, like a strapless bra, but that's there. Hope my boobs fit in that. We shall see. I think it's because I'm wearing a big bra and I'm in a dress, but I'm excited to try these. I cannot wait. Again, just absolutely stunning. And they've got your sizes. So this is the colour white and it's size large. I'll put all the links up for you though, so you can find every single one of them. I'd love to know which piece is your favourite, and I would love it if you follow us on YouTube and Facebook, ready for when I do the try on, so you can catch all them too and you get notified. I'm going to tie these up and then we can put it up there. Absolutely beautiful. So there's £54 this one, and it goes up to an XXL. Sure it all just basically ribbon knotting them up, but to put them on, there we go. Wish I've got the right one here, because some of these are locking into each other and I don't want it to catch. There we go. How beautiful is that? Oh, look at that. Isn't that absolutely stunning? So you've got this over the top of it as well. And this feels lovely and soft. Gorgeous. I love the detail. I love that. It's just so gentle. That's why I picked it, and the price. I wanted to show you what you can get. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget, use my code and it's Panacea0610. And that's to get 10% off. You can use that one, and I will put some more on too onto Facebook and wherever else I post, just to like spread the codes around. And I've got, I think it's up to 20 people for that code. I'll put some more out, so hopefully you don't miss out. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed this. I'll see you all in a bit. Zoom, zoom.